Tess Honorio. It's been a while. I didn't do haul, unboxing, or flexing my new purchases. Now it's the time. This is the first item. I got Alo hooded jacket. Next item, I got Prada t-shirt, size large. And then next item, I got this Loewe Tokong pants. That design, I love it. And the next item, guys, I had this set blouse and skirt short Gucci. And then next item, I got this Dior blouse, red knitted blouse. I love this one. I cannot wait to try and wear it for the now it's spring. And I had this windbreaker jacket, same brand, Alo. And I cannot wait to wear this one for my future trip or going out springtime. It's nice. Thanks for watching, guys.